What's up, you lovely people? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Those who are new to my channel, let me tell you that my name is Shantani Ash and I am Lady of Dreamland on Instagram. I am a fitness enthusiast, a lifestyle blogger, a YouTuber, Instagrammer and a karateka. Now, this vlog is a bit different from my other vlogs because I'm gonna tell you something very important, which is part of our daily health and daily maintenance routine. It's part of taking care of our body. So before telling that, let me tell you that as you all know, the spreading of coronavirus again has increased. Please maintain safety protocols. It's our duty as a citizen of the country to maintain the safety protocols, take care of our elderly persons, and also while going out, don't forget to carry the sanitizer and the mask, because that's the only solution to be safe throughout the year 2021. So let's make 2021 a better year than 2020 was. So without wasting any further time of yours, so right now let's jump into the video. And before that, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my future videos whenever I upload a new one. So from my dress up, as you all know that I'm chilling in home right now, and also I just have taken a shower and I have taken care of my hair. As a fitness enthusiast, I have never paid certain attention to my hair care. For that, for past few days I am facing tremendous hair fall. Let me tell you very honestly, because my hair scalp is very oily and it very easily attract dirt. So whenever I go to gym or my scalp sweats a lot while going out, while I'm outside or in gym or anywhere else, during summer, if I'm working out or doing any work, my scalp tends to sweat a lot and it attracts dirt. So in turn, I face severe dandruff issue, and from that I get the forehead acne, because whatever acne problem or pimples problem I am having, it is caused by those patchy dandruff on my scalp, which is caused by dirt and oily scalp. And also my hair quality is kind of dry. So my scalp is oily and my hair is very dry in nature. So I actually am a kind of a person who never paid attention to hair health. I usually apply little makeup while doing my workout videos, while doing any of my vlogs, or also I used to take care of my skin a lot, like cleansing, toning, moisturizing and applying serums and facial oils time to time. Usually whenever I don't get time, then also I used to take care of my skin at least once, and when I get time and I decide that no matter what, I'm gonna take care of my skin, and then I used to do it 2 or 3 times. But when it comes to the health of my hair, I have always ignored it big time. So for that, I find the best possible solution by which you can take care of your hair and scalp. There are some technique which I'm gonna tell you. Some of it is whenever you are working out, try to make a bun, or whenever you're going out, try to make a bun, or you can cover your hair with a bandana if you're going out. That will protect your hair from excessive heat generation, and also using a proper hair care product saves you from that massive hair fall. So now I was searching in the market that what hair care product is actually gonna suit my hair type, because it's very unusual that you have a oily scalp and dry hair. So I have to take care of the conditioner too, because that's only gonna nourish my hair. So I was very confused. Okay, please forgive the biker, please. I am vlogging the video from my house, so I'm sorry, there must be some outside noise, I cannot help. So whatever I'm telling you is that it's very tough to find that kind of hair product in the market which will serve both the purpose, which will take care of your scalp, it will reduce that excessive hair or sebum production on your scalp, and also it will nourish your hair, like hair quality. I mean, root to tip, it will be a full hair care regime. So for that, I got something from Wow Skincare, which is their Himalayan Rose shampoo and conditioner. As you can see, this is the packaging of the Wow shampoo, and the conditioner is also comes in the same kind of packaging, just the write-up is different, and everything is written here for which the product is suitable for. Like, it helps to soothe scalp and tame frizzy hair, exactly the problem I am having. I used to get itchy scalp like very easily whenever I don't get time to take a proper shower. Like, whenever some days it happens like I cannot have time to wash my hair. For that, it helps a lot. It reduces the itchiness of the scalp. That means you are having itchiness on scalp, means you are having 100% you are having dandruff on skin, on your hair, like the scalp skin. So it reduces that, and it's also dermatologically tested. And this brand, let me tell you, it's a complete Indian brand. Now this particular shampoo, the Himalayan Rose shampoo, is having the rose hydrosol and vitamin B5 inside it. Everything is written here. If you want to find out what ingredients it's having, you can find everything there. Here you can find what chemical ingredients it's having, whether it's suitable for you, whether you are allergic to some kind of product or something, and then you can buy. And also the most important thing, it's silicone free, it's paraben free, and it is having no added color and excessive fragrance. It's only having a little rose fragrance inside it. And let me tell you that all you need to do is you have to take the pump out, and this is for the extra protection. If you are traveling somewhere, all you can do is you can just put the cap back, and it will not leak inside your bag. And then you take it out whenever you want to apply, and then you have to twist the the head part. There is one side it's written open and another side it's written close. So all you need to do is you have to open and then push it whenever you want to apply, and then after rinsing your scalp, all you need to do is you just need to apply. So this product, as I have already told, this is entirely Indian product, and you can check the originality of the product from the QR code of the product. And also it's available offline, guys, so you can have the Wow products from your online beauty shop. Now let's come to the conditioner part. The conditioner serves really well. It is free of any color like the shampoo, and it conditions your hair ends so well that you will feel the softness in your hair, which actually I required. Stores the strength of the hair, like the single hair. Sometimes what happens is we used to feel breakage from hair, like ends, or you find split ends on your hair. So these problems will be solved by this conditioner, and it's colorless, it's completely white. The application process is same like the shampoo. All you need to do is you have to take the cap out and take few pumps and then apply it and leave it for few minutes. After application of shampoo and after washing the shampoo, of course, you all know how to apply a conditioner. Now leave it for a few minutes and then rinse it off, and then you can feel the difference after one wash. I usually apply this 2 or 3 times a week. You can apply it whatever you require. So this is serving my purpose really well. Now I am less tensed about my hair health, and it reduced my hair fall like anything, so just give it a try. All the links of the product is given in the description part, so just be tension less about how your hair is looking and how your hair is, whether your hair is manageable or not, and just use this. You will definitely find beneficial for it. Also, let me give you some additional hair growth tips which I follow. What I do is I used to back comb my hair so that the blood circulation in my scalp increases. It helps a lot. Though if you are having vertigo or if you're having spondylitis, I think you shouldn't try this. And also I used to comb my hair twice a day so that it is the kind of exercise for our hair tips. So that's all I do for my hair. I don't do much for my hair, but this shampoo and this conditioner is helping me a lot. So that's it for today's vlog or today's video. I hope your hair care problem or hair problems or hair fall problems will be solved by this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment down what you liked about this video, what kind of videos you like to see on my channel further, of course including the fitness videos. If you want some kind of diet tips or some kind of skincare routine, just let me know. And also don't forget to share this video with your friends, family and whoever you want. Shower love, stay fit, stay strong and stay safe in home. Wear your mask whenever you go out and take care of your hair, skin and overall health. Thank you so much. That's all for today. See you in my next video.